Hey guys, so I've been paying for Chatgpt for about 2 years. I'm not kidding, but it seemed to me that month by month it was getting worse. The whole app, it's like it was hallucinating more. When I was like uploading files, it wasn't reading it. It just kind of like made up stuff, or even it didn't remember things. Like it was like 2-3 messages and didn't remember. So the Chatgpt got way worse for me at least, right? So in this video, I want to share maybe like the alternatives for you that may be beneficial. So the first one is Gemini 2. Now this is something that I'm using way more right now. Primarily you can upload for free account, you can upload image here, and with ChatGPT free account you can't. Also with Gemini, it seems to me it was getting better and better. I know it's more kind of like robotic, but I'm not really creating any kind of like this relationship with ChatGPT that many people do, is that they have it as like friend or something. So I'm like from the movie Her, like I don't do it. I have like real relationships. That's something that I kind of like encourage too. Now, so Gemini is great for kind of like the quick tasks. I also like when I Google something, I just like Gemini for researching sites is better than ChatGPT from my own experience. And in a way, like I trust it more even for kind of like reviewing what it said. So this is for the Gemini. Now I pay for Claude. So I pay for Claude, and also the Claude Code is great. So for when you can have like a lot of data, you can have like a long PDF. You want to like get some information. Claude is like on a crack, right? It's just going to do the work for you. Now Claude, amazing. I love it, and I enjoy way more using it comparing to ChatGPT. So that has been at least my own personal experience. Claude in that way is amazing. Then you can have Perplexity. So Perplexity is really great for understandings like what are benefits of taking wild edible greens juice. Okay, and I'm just going to search here, and it's going to write me, and I can click here and links, and you can have like plenty of links that you can like look for. So kind of like from the science perspective, but then you can have also the consensus, which is also great. Benefits of wild, or like Artemisia annua tea. Okay, and it's going to like search for me the various things that may be beneficial for me. And you can have studies here. So this is something that you can also use. Maybe it's going to be good for you. So yeah, that's pretty much it. So these are the alternatives that I personally found out that are like better for comparing to the standard ChatGPT, that you can test out for yourself too. For complex topics, use Claude. For standard stuff, Gemini. And yeah, have a great day and goodbye.